Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's December 16th, 2024, and today I want to give you a review and demonstration of a product. It's a Eufy e340 dual camera doorbell. And I got this a few weeks ago. I think it was one of those Amazon specials before the holiday and all. So I just want to step outside here and we'll show you what the unit looks like when it's installed. It's getting warm today, above freezing, and this is what the doorbell looks like right here. This is the camera that faces direct out, and right now I'm getting alerts on my watch and my phone, and this is a camera that faces down. And they send it with a bracket. You'll notice that it's offset. It angles towards the door right here. So it picks up packages that are left right at the base of the door. And a light lights up at nighttime so that it will illuminate the person. Also act as a deterrent as well. So I think this doorbell is really good. And if you have an existing doorbell that is wired, you don't have to use the removable battery that's in this that can get recharged. It'll last about 6 months. But you can just take those wires and hook it right up to the Eufy doorbell. So I'm going to switch to the other camera now so I can go over what comes in the package and tell you a little bit about it. Okay, so here's the box that the doorbell comes in. So this is a Eufy, EUFY, security video doorbell E340 dual camera, and so you can see what's in front of you, and you can see what's on the floor where the packages have been left. The video will be 2K video that you're going to receive. The internal storage on this unit itself is 8 gigabytes. We also purchased the Eufy hub where you can put a hard drive in it, and I put a 1 terabyte hard drive in our hub so that we can back up to that as well. Probably the main reason that I went with this company as opposed to the other companies is there's no monthly fee. You've got your local security. All your data can be backed up to your hard drives. You can connect it to your Amazon Echo device so that it can work with that. It's got artificial intelligence for recognizing faces and all. It illuminates with the lights on the bottom, illuminates on the top, and you can clearly see that it'll show you the packages if you got problems with package thieves, that sort of thing as well. So we'll open up the box here. And so this is the doorbell itself. Front-facing camera here, bottom-facing camera here. Lights for illuminating the package. Lights to alert the people that are approaching your door. And up here is the locking mechanism that fits into the door mount itself. If you already have a pre-existing doorbell that's wired, you can attach those wires here. First thing you have to do is charge this because it doesn't come completely charged. It may take a couple of hours to charge this, but I think you can get like 180 days, 6 months of charge from this unit. And put this in now. And again, it just pops out like this. And I'll take the plastic cover off after I get it mounted and all. So we'll look in the rest of the package here. Oh, because I went ahead and did that, it's trying to communicate with the app now. So I'm just going to leave this disconnected for right now. And inside this package, there's a sticker for Eufy protection, audio and video surveillance. This is a positioning card sticker so that you can decide just where you want it on your door, next to your door, and a quick start guide as well. So all those things are in here. This is super easy to install. even if you already have a wired doorbell. And you can keep that the doorbell chime that goes with your doorbell. So here's a USB cable to charge your battery. Where is the USB? It's on here some. Oh, it's under this little tab here. That's right. So this is where you charge it. And they do have second batteries, so that if you wanted to keep one charge and just flip it out at all. So inside of here are the mount that goes on your door, on your wall, and it clearly shows this side up. So this gets mounted to the door. There are screws that come with it as well, so that it'd be real easy to mount this. They've got some little jumper cables for in case you have a different system for your door. Hopefully this is showing up in the camera the way I'm holding things. Here, and the way that this locks into this system here, so this side up, those little tabs right there lock into this part right here. So that goes in and locks in there after you mount it, and it makes it pretty secure. Somebody'd have to know how to do this and all, but in order to release it to change the battery, they gave you this little key that, as you can see, it comes in here, and what it does is it depresses that little switch there and it releases it from the bracket that holds it. Now with us, we have our doorbell is offset to one side, so they also give you this little angled device here, so that what you can do is you can go ahead and put this like this to go to, let's say if you're going to put it on the right side of the door, this way it'll show you where the package is left at the base of the door. That's to the left of this unit. If you're going to do it the other way, just turn this the other way. If you're going to put this on the left side of your door, and your door is here, and it will show you the package being left at the base of the door. The camera quality, image quality is absolutely excellent. You'll download the Eufy app, which is very good app, easy to use, and you'll sync this. There's a sync button, so the sync button's right here, right below the two screws there, to sync it with your app, and you can have it recognize family members, friends, the postman, whoever you want to have it do and recognize those, so that it doesn't alert, and you can have it so it only recognizes people as opposed to other things, animals coming up to your front door as well, so that you don't use too much of your memory in the 8 gigabytes of this, if that's all you're using. So I wrote down a few things of the highlights. It has a dual camera. It has a front-facing camera, 2048 by 1536 resolution. The downward-facing camera is 1600 by 1200 resolution to eliminate blind spots, and it really does show up. It shows up as a split screen on your phone, so you can see both the visitors and the packages very clearly. 2K video quality, so when you're playing it back on their phone, you can see it. When somebody rings the doorbell, whether you're at work or some other location, the grocery store, you can go ahead and communicate with them directly through your phone to the person who's at home on your door, at your front door. It has AI smart detection to recognize human faces, detect packages, so it alerts you and tells you just what's there. Someone's at your door, it'll tell you who the name of the person is. If it's, I believe it'll tell you the name of the person. If you've indicated that by taking a snapshot picture of them. I haven't done that at all. So when somebody's at your front door, they hit the doorbell. You can open up your phone app, and you can have two-way communication with them. So no matter where you're located. Flexible power options: either use the battery that's in the doorbell unit itself, or you can have it hardwired. Easy to do. 8 gigabytes of internal storage with no subscription fees. and supports optional expansion via the Homebase S380, which I have. Motion activated lights improve security and video clarity at night. Real-time notifications alerts visitors or package activity directly on your phone. Quick replies enables preset audio responses, so you can pre-program responses, no solicitors, whatever it may be, that you want to record on your device. So those are the components. There are the screws. There's the key, hard wiring, USB-C to charge the battery, and this is super easy to mount, and it shows up beautifully on your phone. All right, so what do I think of this Eufy e340 doorbell? I think this is absolutely amazing. I've been looking at similar units for the last few years, smart home technology and all. And we have hardwired doorbells and all, but they're a couple decades old now. We have special phones that hook up to it, and they're completely inconvenient. And with having an Amazon Echo, and I think it's supposed to work with Google Home as well, but it does work with the Amazon Echo device. That'll just alert you. If you get the Homebase, it will chime as well and let you know. And it can record as much. You can put large hard drives in the Homebase as well to actually get notified about everything and all. So what do I think about it? I think it's a over-the-top 5-star unit. I think it's great. No, Eufy doesn't know I'm making this video, and I paid full price for it. And so you see, I bought a second one for our back door, and I'm actually going to get one for our workshop as well, because people don't necessarily come to our front door. Sometimes they come to our back door. Sometimes they go to our workshop. So these are pretty valuable. Now we'll go in. Dee's making lunch. I'm going to surprise her. Hi, honey.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, I'm wonderful. So what do you think of the doorbell?
Oh, I like it a lot. Because lots of times with this house being so insulated, you just have no idea that anybody's out there. And there's only this window on the north side. So my phone is always with me. It makes a beep. It says someone's there. So I'm happy.
Yeah, and you can actually two-way communicate with someone at the door with your phone when it goes, and it's hooked up to the Amazon Echo device, and it alerts you. Do you like hearing that?
I like hearing that. Yeah, I like hearing that. I haven't talked to anybody yet, though.
That's right.
I got to figure out the buttons on my phone.
All right, but you have reviewed the video on it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
What do you think of the video quality on your phone?
Oh, I think it's good. It's clear, it's not fuzzy. You get close enough usually to see the person's face on it. And I like that the package is, you can see down below.
Yeah, you can clearly see the package. You can see the person approaching the door from a distance. Even at nighttime, it's got color at nighttime with the lights and all. So it works really well. So you can say goodbye to everyone, hon.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy holidays. Keep smiling and spread the joy through the whole world.
All right, folks. So that's our review of the Eufy e340 doorbell. I highly recommend it. I think it's great. And I'm sure that there'll be sales at different times if you're thinking about getting one of these devices. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, take care, and enjoy your holidays. Bye-bye now.